What is a task tracker and how can it keep track of employee tasks? In today's fast-paced world, businesses need to stay organized and on top of their employees' tasks. This is where task trackers come into play. Let's check out how the task tracker keeps track of employee tasks. Employees can track task duration and plan tasks accurately, while managers can measure productivity rates. It allows employees to manage their tasks based on deadlines, optimizing their productivity while managers can ensure efficient completion of tasks. Task Tracker generates reports that provide insights into employee activity and productivity for better transparency. Managers can assign tasks to employees based on availability, ensuring timely and high-quality completion. If you want to take advantage of all these benefits, it's essential to have a reliable task tracker like Workstatus. Workstatus not only provides all the features mentioned above, but it also offers several other benefits that can help your business stay on top of things. So why wait? Try Workstatus today and take your business to the next level.